Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about the aggregate function available in SQL Server 2022. So under the aggregate function we can see the count, sum, average, max, minimum value you can pull from your the table. So let's get started. Now, here is what is the aggregate function. An aggregate function is a function that perform a calculation on a set of values and return the single values. So it's work kind of a mathematics. You want to calculate, you want to count the value, you want to sum the value or the minimum, maximum, average. So this is totally dependent on the mathematics. Now, aggregate function is often used with the select or the group by command. Now, here is the aggregate function list sum return the total sum of numerical column or count return of the number of rows in the table or the set. Average return the average value of a numerical column. Max return the largest value within the selected column. Minimum return the smallest value within the selected column, and the round a number to the specific number of the decimal places. So let me move it to my the SQL server, and then we can see all the practical how we can use the sum, count, average, max, minimum, and the round command. So let me move it to the SQL server. So now I am under my the SQL server. Let me click on the new query, select the database, and first check the my table data. What I have a employee, and execute this. So I have a employee ID, I have the first name, last name, office location, department, hire date, and the hourly payment. So here I write the all the commands which we are going to use it. So let's use a first sum. So sum command will be calculated all these data, the numeric data available in your table. So data I have here, this the hourly payment. So we are going to use the sum value, calculate the sum value from the hourly payment. So let's write the command sum and hourly payment and execute this now. So this is the total values from the column, but here it's mentioned it's a no column name. So how can I fix that? This is like a your total payment, and execute this. So now I have the total payment of 96.85. Now the next command is a count. Let's count the rows available in my the table. Let's me put it a star here and see. So we have the total values 6 rows here, and I need the total count of the first name. So how we can do that? That is remove the star and use the count and the column name, the first name, and type as a total sorry, total employee. Okay, so total employee, how many employee we have? So total employee we have total 6. And now let's move it to the, this is the count command. Let's take the average. So average always take from the your numeric values. So let's find the numeric values where we have the hourly payment. So let's get the average value what the payment we are doing to the employee. So type the average and take the column name is a hourly payment, and write it down here is like a average value, average payment to the employee. So how much average payment we are doing to employee? That is a $16.14 per hour. That average payment we are doing to the employee. Now let's go to the max. What are the max payment paid to the employee? So let's get the max command here, the max, and here is like your the max payment. What's the max payment paid to the employee, it's a $22.75. And if I need the minimum payment for to the employee, or the minimum value from this table, that is a 10.05. So that's how we can calculate the minimum and the maximum. And let's now go to for the next one is a round. So round table will be giving you the decimal values from your the column. So in the hourly payment, if I do the round command, and round payment will be like a comma, and let's do the one, or like 2 digit we can do it. So this is the maximum max payment, sorry, not the max payment, this is a, I can say the payment only because it will give us the round figure. So let me go here and remove this one or two. Next to two digit, what's the data is showing? So it's showing 10.05. If I need it only in the one digit, so that value will calculate here and add it to the next value. So let's see the decimal value till 1. So that will be 10.1. It's happened. Instead of 10.05, it's make it 10.01. So that's how you can use the round command. So guys, hope you learn well for the aggregates commands in the SQL, and keep doing the practicals. Let me know if you have any issues or you need the any SQL query. So I can write it down and send it to you. So thank you guys. See you soon in my next video.